If your Eufy X10 Pro Omni is glitching, not connecting to Wi-Fi, or you just switched to a new phone and need to set everything up again, don't worry. Today, I'm going to show you the easiest, fastest, and safest way to factory reset your Eufy X10 Pro Omni Robotic Vacuum. This reset clears all old data, Wi-Fi, schedules, maps, everything, so you can start fresh. Let's jump right in. Before we begin, remember, factory resetting your X10 Pro Omni puts it back to its original out-of-the-box state. This is useful when you're facing Wi-Fi issues, transferring the vacuum to a new owner, switching phones, or when the vacuum just needs a clean slate to work properly again. Now, the reset process is surprisingly simple, and you don't need the app for this part. First, go to your vacuum and find the two main buttons on top, the home button and the spot clean button. These are the only buttons you'll be using. Once you've located them, press both buttons at the same time and keep holding them. Don't let go. It usually takes about 3 seconds. As you're holding the buttons, listen carefully for a voice prompt. Your vacuum will announce something like, "Wi-Fi has been reset." That message is your confirmation that the factory reset is complete. The moment you hear that voice prompt, release the buttons. That's it. The vacuum has now erased all previous configurations. Everything from your cleaning schedules to your Wi-Fi settings is completely wiped. Now you're ready to set the device up again. Open the Eufy or Eufy Clean app on your phone and follow the normal onboarding process just like you did when the vacuum was brand new. Connect it to your Wi-Fi, customize your settings, and you're back in business. And that's how easy it is to factory reset the Eufy X10 Pro Omni. If this guide helped you out, make sure to hit like, drop a comment if you had any issues, and subscribe for more quick tech fix tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.